I know that lady knows that, but...
Just let it out, dude.
Can I sit sleep for a minute, please?
Just let it out.
Just breathe. No more. Don't that in this house. No more. I don't know who all y'all are, but how are we three the cause of everything?